Through my online store alone, we've sold over $500,000 worth of spices. That's so crazy. Hi, I'm Angel, and I'm a full-time spice girl. I travel the world for spices and spice inspiration, and I bring it to my customers in the form of really cute little glass bottles. I worked in education for at least 10 years till the day I was walking down the street and saw that for Lee sign and decided to, on a whim, open a spice shop. And that was the decision that changed my life. Because this happened so quickly, I am living a dream I didn't even know I had. When I decided to open the Spice Suite, of course I knew I needed a website. And I figured I have a little bit of style. I can put some colors together. I can bring some images in. And Wix was the one that kept coming to the front. As I've grown, I've been able to embed videos on my website and have different collections and galleries. I take pictures of the products. I post it on social media. I go on my Wix app. So I just released 200 sets of the cooking utensils and sold them in about 2.5 minutes. The pandemic happened. I was at home and the store was closed, and I said, you know what, we can just turn the shop into a warehouse. I said, let me just go on Wix and add e-commerce and see if this is something that I can try to manage. So then we were able to do different collections and do home goods and spice boxes. But online sales have been amazing because people all over the world are at home cooking right now. Our online store has become the most successful part of our business. I did it assuming that there was a need for it, but I did not know that it would blow up and become so big so fast. It's like a sport trying to get a spice box now because they sell out so quickly. I think the sense of community is what keeps people coming back to the Spice Suite. This space has transformed from just a spice shop to a dream incubator. We have hosted over 450 pop-up shops by small business owners. And from that grew this tribe of women that I call Spice Girls, who started out just doing a single pop-up shop here. And now we share this space regularly and they help run the store while they sell products that they make. So that collaborative has just like completely changed the game for me and how I view this business. Now I'm confident I can make a lot of money online and manage my in-store sales.